You manage students by clicking on the Student tab here, and this is the Managing Students screen. The first thing you'll do is Add Students. You click this button here, and you can see that I usually give the student username, their first name, and then a number, like the number of the room. And then I set all student passwords to something very simple. They can all be the same. Here you can see that this student completed 377 activities. She's still going, actually. You can also see the last time she logged in, and then you're able to take some other actions like edit or delete her account. Um, so that's the student page. That's where you would add or delete students. There are 32 licenses here. That's the limit. And if you want more, we need to buy them.